Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are YouTube. One of the problems we had with our FZR was at night when riding along, you'd always find that tacho had little dots of white light coming through. It was nothing unusual, all it was the screen printing on the tacho face had started to break down with UV, and it was just the backlight shining through. It's not a problem, but it is an annoyance. In this video we're going to go through, it's a little bit different. We're taking the gauges into the house, and we're going to be going through, stripping them apart and putting the new face you can see here on the tacho. This is one of those little jobs. It's quite easily and readily done. It's done a lot in the car world where people used to swap out gauges for white face gauges, but in the bike world it's not that common, although the gauges are available. So it's a very good little trick you can do. It's quite inexpensive. The gauge faces cost about £25. It'll give you a really nice fresh set of gauges like these. These look absolutely fantastic and they're going to look really nice at night as well.